Halloween, which takes place on the last night of October, probably started around 2,000 years ago as the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. The Celts, who lived in the part of Europe that is now Ireland, the United Kingdom and northern France, had celebrations at this time of the year. It was an important time of the year for them because it brought an end to the season when there had been plenty of food, and was a sign that the cold, dark winter was about to begin. A lot of our modern Halloween traditions are similar to the Celtic customs. For example, people dress in costumes for Halloween. The Celts believed that the night of Halloween was the time when ghosts came back to Earth. People thought that they would meet ghosts if they left their homes after dark. They didn't want these ghosts to recognize them, so they used to wear masks. They thought that by doing this, they too looked like spirits. The idea was that the ghosts would be frightened of them. Another custom for which Halloween is famous is the trick-or-treat tradition. This probably arrived in America in the second half of the 19th century. This was a time when there were many Europeans arriving in America. Among them were many Irish who were trying to escape the effects of a terrible famine in Ireland. This famine, which happened in the 1840s, meant that many Irish were starving. When they came to America, they brought with them many of their old Halloween traditions, including going from house to house and asking the neighbors for food or money. Today, the idea is that families can stop the neighborhood children from playing tricks on them by offering them treats, which usually consists of sweets or chocolate. This tradition has grown and is one of the reasons Halloween costs people a lot of money. Americans today spend around $6 billion every year on the celebrations at Halloween. In the 21st century, Halloween is more of a fun celebration than ever. This may be partly because in the 1800s, parents were encouraged to change Halloween from a holiday about ghosts and superstitions into a more family-friendly holiday. They started having parties with seasonal food and games and stopped a lot of the more frightening customs. Nowadays, it is a reason for a party and a chance for adults and children to dress up. Some people, especially teenagers, still enjoy scaring their friends with spooky costumes. They might look like characters from their favorite horror film, and the effects of makeup can be very realistic, but really they are doing it for laughs.